Alright, so new day, El Camino. What we are going to do is the door wheels, door jams, whatever you want to call them. Tape them off. I didn't even know I had this one primed, so that's a good thing. Tape them off. We're going to light scuff them. Gotta get us some 320. We'll tape all the door off. We'll take the door off. And we're going to shoot the black. So let's get to it. Let's make it happen. Alright, so got my 320. Good old 320. We are gonna wet sand all right here and here, up to there and there. The door's gonna stay on for now till somebody comes. My shoulders are killed. I went crazy yesterday on them, the gym. So for now, it's gonna stay there. Once someone gets here to help me, we'll remove that. But let's get this wet sanded. Then probably about right here going around. We're gonna tape it off. I'm gonna take that off, and that off. Some paint those too. And we'll tape it from here back so we don't get anything anywhere. But let's get to it. Let me go get my little pad. I got my thing of water here. So let's get to it. All right. Got my 320 here. Let's get to it. Wet this a little. Let's get everything smooth. I think I might have to cover this a little bit. Let me see how it comes out after, because I think it might be okay. Let me set you up here. I got the door on these jacks. I got 2 bolts off on the top and the bottom. I got 1 holding them. So either this door is gonna fall, or we're gonna get it down nicely. I'm willing to weigh the consequences. So let me take, I think we should be good as long as it leans my way and not the other. All right, all bolts out. Let me see if I can close this a little. All right, let's see how heavy this is. Damn, this is a little heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you. See how I can attack this. Come on, Josh. Oh, that ain't that bad. I was acting like a bitch. All right, door off. Got it right there. Now we can finish the bottom of that and check it if we need to again. But let's get that wet sanded. Let's move it. Let's paint it. Well, in your case, let's move this now. And let's go get it painted. All right, buckaroo. I got this. Sorry for that. I got this taped off. I'm gonna leave this so I can get in there and move it back because I got it like halfway in my garage right now. So I'm not gonna paint today because it's about like 5, about to be 6, and I don't want to be in a rush, and I still gotta go get thinner. So we're just gonna tape this off. I'm gonna make sure we're all good here. I'm gonna check it. Then we'll paint tomorrow because it is Friday. We're gonna have some barbecue with some family. Get down. Encourage you to do the same. Even if you're alone, there's no company, then you're company. So get to it, have yourself some fun. Relax a little. But we're gonna tape this up. But yeah, even if you're just by yourself, have some fun. That's what I'm gonna do later. Play some Fable 2 and chill. But I'm just gonna tape this up right here, leave this half open so I can get in there and push the car out. Then tomorrow, I will pull it back in and tape up the rest. I'm just taping up really what needs to be taped up. I'm getting it there so I don't have to do too much tomorrow. I can just get to spraying. Let me make sure you can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you can see. Alright, so I got everything taped off. I primed it, we're ready to go, wet sanded it. So let's shoot our sealer and we'll get our paint going. So let's get to it. Alright, I got my little rag here. Just wipe this all down real quick. Make sure everything's clean. Every little crevice and whatnot. We're getting all those little crooks and crannies, whatever you want to call it. All right, we're good to go. So let's get our sealer mixed. All right, getting the sealer mixed up. Then we're gonna shoot this. That should be good because I used it earlier today. It got used. You don't need much. That should be more than enough. Cover this up. Leave it a little open for me in case we have any extra. You throw it in the gun and I'll prop you up. Get it. We got the sealer shot. See that? Looks a little weird right there, but that gets covered up, so it's fine. Things looking great, so let's go mix our paint. So let's start out by cup. Come on. Strainer and stick. You got the necessities. Put those right there. Put that right there. It's our black. And here's our reducer. Keeps it mixing. This is the gun I'm using. See it right there. This is what we're using. Put that right there. Now let's get this. I believe this is 1-to-1. Right here, 1-to-1. We're gonna go 2-to-2. Let me make sure. Hold on. Yeah, I'll go 2-to-2. All right. I hate pouring the reducer. Splashes everywhere. It's a little hard to see after that. Boom. Oh, it stinky. Look at my respirator. There it is. Bad boy. Tape the top because sometimes it pops off. I don't want to risk it. Sometimes it does and sometimes it does. Better be safe than sorry. All right, that's good enough. Strainer in. Go in the paint. All right, let's mix the clear. This is what we're using. This is the new gun. My dad got this. He said he heard it was good for clear, so we're gonna try it. Let's see how good it is. It's a Harbor Freight gun. It looks great, to be honest. I like the colorway. But let's mix this clear. Trying to hurry up. What is this, 2-to-1? Where's my 2-to-1? You are. I'm gonna go just 2-to-2. I don't need anything crazy. Can always make more if we need. Where am I at? There we go. I think that should be more than enough for just the door jamb. Ooh, I hate the smell of the clear. Alright. Alright, let's go shoot. All right, this is what we're looking like. Everything came out great. Look at that. Got everything covered nice. Just gonna let it dry now. We're looking good. Hit the other one after this, and we can do both doors since we'll have them off. So let's let this dry and we'll come back in a second. Look at that. Everything came out beautiful. Real hype. No, the door hinges, we'll get to those later. But that black is looking amazing. I'm getting real hyped. Shoot the doors next and the other door jamb. Ooh, we will be set. I want to get this thing on the road. Got great coverage everywhere. Oh yeah. All right, so that's dry now, but this gun shot amazing. This is a 10 out of 10. The clear was coming out beautiful. The fan was great. If you can get your hands on one of these, I would. This thing shot amazing, but check out the paint. Everything came out nice. I'm gonna let it dry a little more, then remove all the tape. Look at that. But yeah, this thing shot amazing. Everything came out great, but that's all we got for this one. You have to hit that follow and stay tuned, and we're gonna do a lot more. So hit that follow and don't miss out.